Thank you so much for hanging out today, everybody. It is Andrew here. You can find me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. In this video, we are talking about MagSafe again. I've released 2 videos back to back. We have 1 video already out there covering the Moment cases. These are just dedicated to Moment's brand new MagSafe cases. So check out that video and everything they can do. But whether or not you're using Moment's cases, you're going to be interested in this video if you are interested in MagSafe, because we're going to take a first look and kind of review Moment's new MagSafe mounts. They're M-series mounts. Very cool little accessories, and the one that we're going to be taking a look at in this video, I'm going to be taking a look at, is the one for the car. So this is the car vent mount, and there's a couple of cool things that I love about it. So we're going to talk about it in this video. So you do need a MagSafe enabled phone to use this mount. So that's any of the iPhone 12 line, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, or the big iPhone 12 Pro Max. Any of those guys have MagSafe built in. If you're using the phone by itself, you don't need anything else. You are good to go. You can immediately start to use any of these M-series or any of the other MagSafe mounts out there on the market for what it's worth. But if you're going to put a case onto your phone, you need to make sure that case supports MagSafe. Now, some cases out there make this really unnecessarily confusing. There'll be a thinner case and they'll say it supports MagSafe. And what they really mean is it'll support a MagSafe charger and that it's able to charge through the case, or it might say it supports MagSafe charging, but that's going to give you issues when you go to use a MagSafe mount, because you really want these magnets to be as strong as possible. I mean, this is for your vent for your car, and you don't want to bump to kind of just send your phone flying. Or if you have any of the other mounts coming from Moment, like a tripod mount or something like that, you don't want your phone to come off. And if you put a case that doesn't have MagSafe built in, you're expanding the distance between your phone's magnets and the mount itself. So be sure to have a MagSafe compatible case, fully MagSafe compatible, with the magnets in the case to use something like this, or you're going to inadvertently send your phone flying or tumbling into the ground. So be sure you're using the plain phone or MagSafe case. Moment, of course, has the MagSafe enabled cases, as I already talked about, so check out that other video for more in-depth on those guys. And in this case, I've just got the basic thin case from Moment on my phone, and we're going to be showing that off with the car mount. Let's go ahead and jump into the car. So you can see on the back of the mount, you have like kind of a plus sign pattern. Now this is extra wide. Moment says they've had people actually break their car vents with poorly designed vent mounts. They were too small and then it would cause them to break their vents when they were trying to adjust it. So this is extra wide, which spaces out that pressure a little bit more, puts less pressure on the blades of your vent, and makes it less likely that you're accidentally going to break your car's vent when you go ahead and put this on there. So that's why the back of this guy is a little bit wider than you may see with some other vent mounts. It also feels nice and heavy. There's a lot of weight to here. Moment is actually using a lot of stainless steel in the design of this guy, which partially shields the magnets from the rest of your phone, doesn't mess with things like the compass, and also makes the magnet a little bit stronger by kind of directing those magnetic fields into the back of your phone, giving the strongest possible hold. Also around the back of this guy, before we fully put it on, you can see this kind of extra ring, this flap, whatever you want to call it. That's actually for your cables. That's kind of a cable management feature. So you got your cable in the car and you're putting it onto here. It's not charging through this, so you still need a cable to either plug it in for CarPlay or just to, charge it in general. By using that, you can wrap your cable around, which keeps your cable from falling down or getting lost or stepped on when you jump into the car, something like that. So it's a really easy way to optionally manage your cables when it is held into this mount. Once we go ahead and put it on, you can see pretty quickly how strong this magnetic hold is. This is one of the strongest ones that we have seen from a manufacturer. This is much stronger than our Belkin Vent Mount Pro. This one seems a lot nicer. It doesn't have the alignment magnet, but due to that rubberized surface on the outside and the strong magnets, this thing is not rotating or going anywhere. We feel like we don't need that alignment magnet here in the car. It just feels really great and solid. So we have a good hold onto the vent clips themselves, a good strong magnet onto the phone. We drove around with this for a little bit, hit some potholes on purpose, and our phone didn't go anywhere. It's a very good hold to our phone, and when we need to, we can just pull it off very easily. It just comes off so smooth. This is so much better than a clip or some of the other weird car solutions that we've seen. This is the way to go, people. I mean, you have it built right into the phone, right into your cases, nothing extra, no shims, nothing like that to make these magnets work. It's just an overall pleasant user experience, and Moment could not have done a better job designing this guy. It looks sleek as heck. I love that black powder coat of the stainless steel around the outside. It just looks wicked cool, and I like this more. It looks more subtle than the bright white and silver of that Belkin option. So that's it. That is the new Moment vent mount M series MagSafe holder car mount guy, whatever you want to call it. It's a MagSafe car mount from Moment, and I absolutely love it. I'm putting this right back in my car, and I want to know what you guys think. Let me know over on Twitter at Andrew_OSU, and if you want to pick up one of these guys, I'm not sure what the shipping date is right now, but if you want one, go ahead and follow the links down below in the description to grab your own.